Okay. Um, the Sheetal is joining newly, so welcome Sheetal, the forum.
Hi, Sheetal.
Yeah. Okay.
Hi, Anna. Good morning. Mm.
I think Shruti, you know about her because you already met her.
Yeah, we met. Yeah, we
Okay.
met.
Okay. Right. Yeah. Fine. Um, actually, I'm recalling all the things. Again, we are going to discuss about that. So last classes, what we discussed, it is about that all about that DDL. So DDL is nothing but data definition language. We discussed alter table, create table, and alter column, create new columns, and how to increase, decrease the field name and other things. Okay, length of the field name. Okay, now almost we covered. So certain things are there, but I'm just a career point of view only. I'm handling all classes to you. Okay, now we are going to in these classes we are going to discuss about the DML. So what is meant by DML? DML is nothing but data manipulation language. So tell me just oh sorry. Okay, I forgot the password. Okay, so how to use this database? Use student, right? So this is the database. How to reach the database means use students. So use students, then execute the button, automatically it will come there. Okay. Now in this class we are going to demonstrate some of the keys like what is mean by DML. Okay, so DML, what is that? So one by one we are going to learn the things. Okay, so I already told you DML is nothing but data manipulation language. Data manipulation language. So what it is there? The data manipulation is what it is there. One, insert. Second, update. Third, third, delete. Delete. Fourth, fourth. Sorry, this three. This is four. Four. So select. So very important. Select in this data manipulation language. Okay. Now assume that this is the tables because I already explained that how to create the table, how to create the column, how to modify the your existing column, or if you suppose you want to increase the length of the things, others everything we discussed. I hope you all people are understand the things. Now after storing the data, certain time you want to inserting the data, certain time you want to modify the data, sometime you want to delete the data. Then apart from that, how to retrieve the data, that is the important things we are going to discuss one by one. So first I'm going to inserting the records. So how to inserting the records? See, the syntax is insert into, what's the table name? Employee. So employee, you have to mention that always the better practice is you have to mention the field name here. So what is that? Empid, comma, emp name, emp name, emp name, comma, apart, what is that other field name? Salary, comma, another field name is department. Okay, department. Here After that, the next keyword is called values. Make sure that when you type that, everything is the caps lock. Values. If it is a string, assume that if it is a string, you have to within the codes you have to do that. If it is a number, don't do this codes. So this is a simple syntax. Okay. So emp id, assume that I am making it e001, and emp name, for example, first name. Say okay. What do you know? I'm telling that Shruti, and salary. What is the next field name? Salary. So I'm giving 5,000. Then department. Say for example, chemistry department. Chemistry. You have to close the bracket and select it and run the command. So one row affected. How to identify whether the records are inserted or not? How to identify? What you have to do? Just to go there, select star. Star is the key field name. Suppose I want to retrieve all the field name, you have to give the star. Suppose you want to give the particular column name only I want, means you have to specify this field name. That's it. So select star. The next keyword called from the, what is the table name? Employee. So give that, then go there, paste it, select star from employee, just run that, execute. So whatever the record you created, it is ordered, because this is we can call this is the record a row, something like that. So the number of rows is, we can call it as a table. Okay. So the first is what? The first row is first row is contains employee id, employee name, salary, department. The first row is the one kind of record. We can call it as record, row, anything. Both are same. Okay. Suppose I want to insert the another record. What do we go? Same thing. Copy, Control C, and Control V. You can copy paste the, I think you hope all people you know. Okay. U002. Say for an example. Say for example, I'm giving Surya. Okay. Say for example, salary is 4,000. Then physics department. Okay. Just one example. Okay. Physics department. Okay. Now I'm running the record. So you giving the next record. Okay. Similarly, I'm giving another record U003. Okay. 4,500. Okay. 4,500. Then this is again the chemistry department. Just example. Okay. Okay. Chemistry department. I'm running the record. Okay. Execute. It is giving the another record. So similar way, I'm going to add that one more record. Say for example, this is U004. This is something called okay, Aditya. Okay. Okay. 3,500. Some computer science department. Computer science. Okay. Just I'm making that and running the record. So executing. So I'm correcting. Okay. Now I want to make it as whether it is records are conforming insert or not. Just how to find out that? Select star from employee. We can find out that. So how many records are inserted? Okay. Now, okay, clear. Now the next question. Suppose this is the insert about it. Suppose I want to add only the particular column name. So what you do, for example, I want to add employee ID, employee name. I don't want to, for the time being, salary in department. So what you have to do? The same thing. What you have to do? We have to mention the particular field name only. Don't want to mention it all other field names. So what you do? I want only employee. Time being, I don't want salary and department. But one thing, when creating the time, suppose if it is a not null field, means you cannot create the record, because the not null constraint, what you must enter particular value. Until unless you are not entering, system will not accept, system will not insert the records. Okay. So what we will do, suppose I am E005, E005, I am make example, say for example, Seetal, okay. Then I, time being, I am not entering employee salary and department, just make it as empty. So whatever the field name you are giving, those field name only you have to pass it. Just make it, enter, execute, one row affected. Now you in the department of department and salary column is make it as null value or empty. See, null and null, because there is no corresponding information. System will identify this is the empty record. Okay. Understand? Understand everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yeah,
fine.
yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. And now assume that I want to, this is the insert particular insert statement so far we discussed. Okay. Another thing is, suppose, see, assume that this employee ID 005, I don't have any update. I don't have, I mean, I don't have salary. I don't have, by mistake, I forgot. So that time what you have to do, you have to filter the you have to filter it. We are calling us, it is called condition. That is called condition. Condition means what? I want to modify it to a particular record. Particular record only I want to modify. Okay. So in this case, how to give the condition means, normally we are using the keyword called where. Now, if it is a, we go with the conditions, what you will do, you have to use the keyword called where. So how you using the keyword where here? I just time. So what is the syntax is update update employee update employee. There is another keyword called set. What is the field name? Salary. Salary equal to, for example, I'm giving particular person only. So if suppose if I am not giving condition, system will update all the people, but I don't want. I want only the particular people only. Okay, so salary equal to some 4,000. Here, where where which employee ID, which column name I want to modify? Employee ID equal to, what is that? What is that? Employee ID? Normally we are always, whenever use the where condition, as much as possible try with the unique column. Okay, because we don't know the number of Seetal will be there. Okay, we don't know number more than one Seetal will be, but this employee ID will be unique. That is what we are always preferring the, the column, unique column name. So employee ID equal to, what is that? E, what is that? E005. E005. Okay, sorry, E005. So now running. Suppose I want to more than one column. Again, comma, department. So department what? Department equal to computer science or something, or commerce, anything. So, department equal to commerce. Okay. COMMERCE, commerce. Okay, just select the command and run that. So how it will be executing, we are seeing that. So just execute. Okay, so now one row affected. Earlier it was in that the employee ID E005 is 4,000 is empty. Now it is 4,000. The department is commerce. It came. So just confirm it. How to confirm it? Select star from table name. Okay. Just make it as, see, it is changed with the salary is 4,000. Department is commerce. Okay. So this is the update statement. So this is particular update. Suppose if by mistake if you are forgetting this all the value, what system will do that? Each and every employee make it as 4,000. Each and every department consider as a commerce department. Okay, if you want to just check it in your getting free time. So this is the update of the particular information. Okay, now, okay, in a certain period. Okay, now I, in the year end, what I am doing, the year of the end, I want to giving as each and every person salary, I'm giving the increment as from 5,000. Who are all in my company, I am giving $500 is increment. So what is the how to do that, alter the query? So same thing, copy and paste it somewhere. Okay, here, here, here. Set salary equal to 4,000 plus salary plus 500. So from the current salary to I am giving incrementing $500. Okay, so from current salary is for example this person 5,000. So again 5,500 will change. This is 4,000 is 4,500. This is 5,000. This is for 3,500. This is 4,000. This is 4,500. So the like, record will be alternate. Okay, so just check it. Here I don't want to give any where condition because I want to update all the people. I want to update with all the people. Just to make it, select it and run. Update employee set salary equal to salary plus 500. Make it as execute. See, 5 rows affected. Okay, now you check the condition. Earlier, who are all the people 4,000? They are getting 4,500. Who are all getting 5,000? They are getting 5,500. So it will be incremented like that. So just check the record. See, everything is changed. See, earlier 5,000, now it is changed to 5,500. Earlier 4,000, now 4,500. Earlier 4,500, now 5,000. Earlier 3,500, now it is 4,000. So earlier it was 4,000, now it is 4,500. Okay, so this is the update statement. Okay, here same thing I want to suppose by mistake this is the one department. Okay, I'm inserting one record and I'm just deleting the record. How to delete the record? Suppose by mistake what I'm doing is this E005 is in different department. By mistake I added. So how to delete? How to delete the record? So what the simple thing is the command called delete. Okay, so same update and delta both are same. Okay, the only thing is the differentiate with the only the syntax difference. So same thing, delete from um, delete from table name, delete from table name. Okay, where now I'm going to what is that which employee ID, suppose by mistake I ordered this employee ID E005. So what you do, just make it go there where employee ID equal to 0005. Okay, go there where uh, employee ID equal to 005 means just to select it and run. So now see the Sheetal, the corresponding row E005 row will be vanished from the table. Just select it and run. Okay, execute, automatically one row affected. Now you check with the go select star from table name. We here what you do here the employee ID 005 will be vanished. See, there is no employee ID 001 E005. Okay, so this is that particular column, how you are going to particular row, how to modify, how to delete, how to update all the things. Okay, the next thing is select statement. Okay, I told you the select statement is nothing but what we are and we taking all the values. Suppose I want to make it as the particular column name. Suppose I don't want to see all the field name, I want to modify only the particular column name. How to do that? So go there, here, select, suppose I need only employee ID. I don't want other field name, emp ID, comma, emp name, only I need only these two fields only. So we have to mention the column name. So select employee ID, employee name from salary, which means to give the employee ID and the employee name. Shruti, Surya, oh, by mistake I added two times. Okay, no problem. Okay, then Aditya. Okay, so this is that how to see the particular column name, field name. Okay, okay. In certain condition, in select statement, I want to retrieve the information. See, select is nothing but it's a filter. You based on your condition, system will work it out. Okay. Here, suppose I want to modify that. I want to see the record in this table. Those who are all getting more than 5,000, more than 5,000. So as per the this current informations, current data, which is the only one record applicable, only E001 only. So how to identify? So go there. We already we learned that it is called operators. So operators, what is mean by operator? Operator means nothing but operators is nothing but So we are calling arithmetic operators, logical operator, and arithmetic operator, logical operator, relational operators. Relational operators. So what it is there, we will see. Arithmetic is operating nothing but, suppose we are in our condition, we are using plus, minus, multiply, etc. Logical operators is nothing but, suppose we are adding multiple conditions. Okay, so multiple condition and or not. These are all the what we call, these are all called logical operators. Relational operators, RELATI, sorry, TI, relational operators, nothing but we can call it as greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to, not equal to. Not equal to, we can call it as like this, not equal to. Okay, these are the relation operators. I will come to one by one, So first conditions, we are checking the relational operators. Relation greater than, less than, and greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. These are all the what is that called, relational operators. Maybe interview time they are asking, what are all the operators available in SQL Server, means you have to mention like that, arithmetic operators, logical operators, relational operators. Okay, so what it is there, so what is, how we are, now we are seeing that relational operators one with one example. So I am telling that in my record, my employee IDs, emp name with salary, in my company, who are all the people, they're getting salary more than 5,000. So if we coming like that query, what you have to type the query, where from employee, where 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 salary, greater than 5,000. If you put like that, only one record will come, because greater than 5,000, greater than or equal to means three record, one, two record will come. If greater than 5,000 means only one record will come. See, just select it and run the record. See, only one record will be coming. Okay, so this is the what we call greater than it's a large relational operator. So relation means what? We are relating between one value and one column. So salary is greater than, this less than. If we coming like that, if we can call it as a relational operators. Okay, the same example I am giving, less than. So less than means who are all getting in my company, who are all less than 5,000 mean the Suruti record will not come, because it is greater than 5,000. Okay, now running, except Suruti, all the record will be coming. Okay, so one record will be greater than and another record will be less than. I am checking that another thing. Okay, the same thing I'm copying, paste it in somewhere. Here I make it as less than. Okay, so what is that thing? You can check it. Okay, sometime my company expecting, I need the data. Okay, I'm adding some extra data. 1 minute. I'm just select star from employee. How many records are there? Okay. So chemistry department, two records will be there. Okay, but certain time I'm giving multiple conditions in my company. I want to filter it in my company. I want to make it as salary. It should be getting more than 5,000. At the same time, department is chemistry, and at the same time, department is chemistry. So, in a certain situation, you have to make it as and. Okay. So, and department equal to what we call, it is called department is chemistry. So mention like that, CHEMISTRY, chemistry. Just make it as and run the record. Now it will come. Okay, just for a general question, in this record, as per the condition, how many record will appear?
One record.
One
To
record.
the record only.
Okay. Okay. Any others? How many record will come? Normally, in my company, in this data, who are all getting more than 5,000, but at the same time, the department should be chemistry. The other department more than 5,000 you getting means I don't have a problem.
I
The
think
first one,
two
Shruti.
Shruti and Surya.
Surya and Surya.
I think yeah.
Uh, because
No.
he is getting more than 5,000. See, if it is 5,000, it won't giving the record because at least one will be increment. Salary is greater than 5,000, which means
It is not greater than or equal to 5,000. It is greater
if
than
you,
5,000. So we'll get the first record only.
exactly. If you give greater than or equal to, your answer is correct. But if greater than means more, it should be more than 5,000 only, not equal or not less than 5,000. That's the meaning. Now run, only Suruti record will be appear. See, correct? Now, if you give equal to, only Surya and Suruti information will be appear. Okay. Same thing, I am explaining that less than or equal to 5,000 or less than or equal to 4,000, 5,000. So this case, what will be record? Either empty or at least one record. Empty. Why? Because in this example,
There is nothing less than 5,000 in chemistry.
correct. Because in this department, no one is getting less than 5,000. Either they are getting 5,000 or 5,000. Nobody's are getting less than 5,000. But if you
Yes,
give
they are
less than,
getting less than 5,000, but the department is not chemistry there.
correct.
That
But
is, yeah.
records are there, but they are not under chemistry department.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you give equal to, now this record will appear. See, correct. So this is called and are not. We can call it as logical operators. And are not. Okay. Okay. I give you more examples because we are going to filtering the things is a little bit. The first time is a little bit complicated only, but when query we have to do multiple times making the query, definitely it will understand that the things. Okay. Yeah. In the specified time, I hope you at least you insert a statement you can understand at how to inserting the data. That level is understand means I'm very happy with that. Update also you hope understand. Delete is very easy. If you understand update, delete is very easy. And more information we are going to learn in select statement. Okay, so we one by one we'll discuss it. Okay, tomorrow same time, so 9 o'clock.
9
Okay.
o'clock.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Fine.
Yeah, okay.
Thank
I
you
hope
so much.
no problem. Those who are not understanding, leave it. I will explain slowly. I will explain all the things one by one. One by one, we can learn the things. Okay, guys. Thank you. We will meet tomorrow morning 9 o'clock. Okay.
Yeah. Thanks, Manny. Bye.